one made something totally different. Cowie 974, been bored out to 1,000. Electronic ignition, you got your lights, you got your horn, starter button on the other side. So you pull out the steering, and then you got your foot pedals that you can put pressure against. Super raked gooseneck inverted springer, so it's solid just standing there, but when you hit bumps it gets pulled in. But most push rods are just a single one, but since I have the duals on the back, I go on both sides. Yeah, you got 3 discs, and then you've got 8 pistons on each disc. I don't know, I just going outside of the box on everything here.